Loved this product. I have bought this product at the local dealer with the same price. 1. 2 locks. Picture quality is amazing in this product. We have many predefined settings which helps not only to beginners but also to professionals for different photography, and it works perfectly with all the feature. I love this camera. 110% better than 80D. No other camera match 90 deci-seconds video performance. Camera little bit shows noise because of 33 MP. But believe me, you will not regret after seeing performance of this camera. I am using this camera for wedding photography plus videography. I bought this camera from Canon verified dealer and it's damn good clarity and it's high speed performed. Video and photo quality is awesome. Before I bought 90D I used Canon 1300D. Compared to this, 90D is very attractive and helpful for capturing moments. Fabulous. Good to have. Click link in description for more reviews.